Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. It's time for another beauty video. You guys know that Sundays are for beauty and Wednesdays are for the millennial journey. So today it is time to try out the UOMA Beauty sponge, and it is called the Dual Density Sponge. Hey, big head. I love that lovely title. I don't have any makeup on. My eyebrows are done, but I don't have my base on because we're going to try this out. I talked about the brands before when I actually reviewed the contour stick, but today I am going to get into the sponge. After I actually did that review, I realized that I wasn't saying the name right, so I was saying UOMA, and the name's actually OMA, so FYI, correction. And then I also watched Sharon, who is the founder, and her interview with Patrick Starr. Oh my gosh, I love her to death. It just made me love her. She is a woman after my own heart. She's an entrepreneur. She's just a go-getter. She is a Black woman doing the damn thing, and I am here for it. I love it to death. I was just so taken aback, and I literally listened to that interview, loved it, but she is just an awesome woman. So I'm here to support them. I wanted to review this sponge, let you know a few facts about it. It is a, dual density sponge, and it costs $15. I will link the sponge below, but it costs $15. It is said that it is for multi-purpose use, okay? So it has this fine tip, and the tip is for hard to reach areas, so I'm probably thinking that's the under eye. And then you can use it with liquid gel, or you can also use it with a powder. And then it's supposed to expand 3 times the size after you wet it. I'm really excited to see that, because I don't think the Beauty Blender expands so big, neither does Real Techniques expand that big. So this is gonna be interesting, like a cool little science thing we're gonna try out. And you're supposed to be able to use it with any foundation product. So it's just a regular, sponge that you can use, but want to see how the coverage is going to hold up. And the angled side is supposed to be actually for contouring, and then the domed lower density side is supposed to be for blending and blurring, as well as light to medium coverage. So I'm opening it up. The packaging looks like this, opening it up, and here we go. So this part, it definitely feels like it's 2 different densities. This one is like harder to squeeze, and this one is like really easy to squeeze. So let's see how this works out. The first step will be to wet it. I'm dunking it in some water right now. This is so crazy. It's like, I have it in this little Pyrex measuring cup. Okay, why is that cloudy though? Is that weird to you? Like, why is it cloudy? Do you see how this is cloudy? I don't want to use a cloudy sponge. Okay, skirt! I'm going to wash this out properly, because I don't understand why it's cloudy. Maybe it's like packaging, but it definitely did expand. It expanded for sure. Now we have this nice sponge. Okay, so let's get started on this. I'm gonna start with my concealer. Have I done makeup on here? Have I? I don't think I've done makeup on here. So I'm using this concealer, which is from Born This Way, but this is not like a makeup tutorial or anything. It is just me putting on this and seeing the coverage. So I'm gonna use the hard to reach, less dense side, and we're gonna see the coverage. What do you guys think? So I will say, I use Real Techniques. Real Techniques sponge is more dense. So, and it's not as big. And because I've been used to Real Techniques, this is definitely different. Not bad, but different. So we have one side kind of done here. What do you guys think about that? It's all right. Okay, let's try the other side. Do you guys see my lighting right now? Yeah, girl, kind of upgraded. You know what I'm saying? I got me a little light or whatever. I got a light, a nice little ring light. So, you know. So listen, please subscribe. Thanks. Because I didn't buy this light for nothing. But anyways, I like it. That's cute. One thing I will say is I have to be like squeezing it, right? Because my Real Technique sponge, I don't have to squeeze it like that. But is that a bad thing? I don't know that it's a bad thing, okay? It's just a thing. So just letting you know. All right, so that is my concealer blended. Now let's do the foundation. And I use Givenchy foundation. I don't know why I use, you know why I use this foundation? Because I was actually looking for, I don't remember what foundation I was looking for. I was looking for a foundation. And the one that they had wasn't in stock. Where did I go? Did I go to, I went to Sephora. And the one that I wanted wasn't in stock. And this girl was like this Givenchy representative. And she was like, this is like the best foundation since sliced bread. You need to get it, blah, blah, blah. It's like, okay. And I needed a foundation. So I was like, it looked nice. I was like, you know what? Like, you know when they do your makeup and you're just like, damn, I look good. And you just can't get your mind off of it, so you just purchase it. That's what happened. Anyways, so I'm gonna do one side with this less dense, and then I'm gonna do another side with the more dense side. So you'll see if there's a difference in coverage. I'm going really close. You see, Givenchy looks good. I mean, I don't know much about, I haven't really researched their brand, but you know what I mean? That is a really nice looking foundation. I don't necessarily put that much foundation on my forehead because I don't see the need for it. Y'all know I'm a natural girl, but let me do it with this side now. So this is supposed to give like heavier coverage. I wonder why they made this like so big. Do you know? Like it's a bit big. I'm not gonna lie, it's a bit big. Okay, so this part it's supposed to have like more coverage, and I actually have a little pimple here, so that's good. And this is less. Ooh. Do you guys see the difference? I don't. Do you guys see a difference? I guess I do, a little bit, right? Listen, I'm not gonna lie, that lady who put it on my skin, maybe she was the Givenchy, every time I say that, I just feel bougie. Givenchy. But I like the light makeup look, so I'm gonna just go over with my domed side. Okay, so I'm also going to do a little contour with my contour stick, my UOMA contour stick. Why are people like emailing me? It's not, you know when you're off work and it's like you still emailing me? By the way, I definitely put too much contour in my UOMA Beauty. Like after I use the products more, I realized I put so much more contour. Okay, how are we gonna do this? We'll try it a couple different ways. So I'm gonna try it like this. Ooh. See what I mean? It's blending so much better. I've actually fallen in love with this contour stick. You guys, yes. I like this. I do. You guys like it? Because I like it. That's cute. Okay. So you want to know why I'm in such a good mood right now? And this is why I'm so happy that I started YouTube. I had such a good conversation with somebody. I'm such a people person, and I feel like this is Millennial Journey Wednesday coming to intersect with beauty. But I am such a people person, and I love connecting with like people who I've never met, like learning their story. And it just like starting this in the first few months, I have had interactions with several people that have caused like conversations to happen that are so authentic and, you know, about real issues in real life. And I'm just so happy about that. Like, that makes me tick. It makes me just so happy. And I just love it. So thank you. And please, 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 if you want, just message me on Instagram. That's where this conversation happened on Instagram. And let's talk. Like, I love, when I tell you I love talking, just like talking to people, getting to know you, getting to like understand, do we have like similar struggles? Do we have similar, I don't know, like things in common? Or even if you have a different experience or you just don't agree with something I'm saying, let's talk about it. I want to talk, so talk to me. But yeah, it was a great conversation, and I get energy from those conversations. Thank you. And that's why I'm loving YouTube. Anyway, so this is pretty much done, and I like it. So I'm gonna finish my makeup and I'll be back with my final thoughts. First, I didn't know what to think because this is how my water looks that I tried to put the sponge in. I don't know what that was about, but UOMA. So if you get the sponge, just wash it out first. After that, we had a great experience. It was a wonderful experience. I love it. I love the fact that it has two sides. This side has given my contour a new life, and I will be forever grateful. This side was great for getting into the small corners, and I think that's why they made it so malleable as opposed to like Real Techniques, which is denser all over. I like it. So this gave me really good precision because of the angle. I was able to contour really well with that. Overall, great product. A little bit on the big side. It took me some getting used to because I've never had a sponge that's been this large. I feel like the other ones are a bit smaller. I like it and I would recommend it, and I am definitely using this. It's been great. The only thing I would say is wash it out first. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers. I'd really appreciate your support. Bye-bye.